Welcome to the See Yourself channel. Today we are going to practice seeing ourselves feeling completely relaxed as we explore the incredible benefits of progressive muscle relaxation. This powerful technique not only helps you release muscle tension, but also calms your mind, reduces stress and anxiety, improves sleep, and boosts your overall well-being. So let's get started with this simple but effective technique to make all of your stress melt away. First, come to a comfortable position, lying down or sitting comfortably in a chair. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine the tension in your body being released and flowing out of your body and into the ground. Again, inhale and exhale, doing your best to have your body relax and melt into the chair or whatever surface you are laying down on. When you're ready, tighten the muscles in your forehead, raising your eyebrows as high as you can, holding, and release, letting all of the tension fall away. Let the muscles in your forehead completely relax. Breathing in and breathing out. Next, you will tense the muscles in your mouth and cheeks. Smile as widely as you can, holding, and release, feeling the tension melt away. Let the muscles in your mouth and cheeks completely relax. Breathing in and breathing out. Now tense your shoulders and lift them up towards your ears. Hold your shoulders here for a few moments. Holding, tensing, and let go. Letting all of the tension drain out of your shoulders and into the ground. Breathing in and breathing out slowly. Make a tight fist with both of your hands. Tighten the muscles in your arms and across your chest. Hold, and release, letting the muscles in your chest and arms and hands completely relax. Breathing in and breathing out. When you're ready, bring your legs together so that they are touching. Imagine that there is a penny between your legs that you need to hold up. Squeeze your legs against each other. Squeeze, muscles in your legs completely relax and imagine the tension flowing out of you and into the floor. Breathe in deeply and exhale. Next, we will tense the muscles in your lower legs. Flex your feet so that your toes are pointed towards your head. Feel your calf muscles become tense. Holding, 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 and release. Letting the muscles in your lower legs completely relax. Breathing in and breathing out. We will now tense the muscles of your toes. Curl your toes like you are making a fist with them. Holding, holding, and release. Letting the muscles in your toes completely relax. Breathing in and breathing out. Now imagine a wave of relaxation slowly spreading throughout your entire body, beginning at your head and going all the way down to your feet. Close your eyes if they're not already closed and feel the weight of your body against the chair or the ground. Feel the weight of your relaxed body and gradually scan your body and notice how you are feeling. Notice any sensations in the muscles of your forehead, cheeks, mouth, shoulders, chest, arms, hands and legs, feet and toes. Breathing in deeply and exhaling slowly. Breathing in and breathing out. In and out. In and out. And now just rest here for a moment. If this practice touched your soul, don't forget to hit that like button. And to stay connected with our amazing community, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you are always notified whenever new soul-nourishing content drops. See you in the next video.